What is up, everybody? It is Squid back at it with another video. Right now I'm in Fremont, and I'm going to answer the $1 million question, and then challenge a couple other people to answer the $1 million question of what would you do with $1 million? Well, I'll tell you right now. First of all, it'd pay out the dyno. Oh, I hear yelling, hold on. I don't feel like talking anyway. 1 second, you're gonna see a cut in a few seconds. Alright, first I pay out the dyno. That's only about $3,700 left, give or take, right now. After I do all that, I would more than likely buy the road glide I want, which is 30 grand off that. And then I put bars on it, which is a couple hundred, probably 400 or 500 actually. And after I do that, I put the pipes I want on it, which are probably about 1,200 bucks. And then the seat would be another 5. Radio would probably be 3. The rim, probably 2 grand for a front rim that I want. Because I know those bigger rims are fucking specialty bullshits. I would kit out the dyno how I always wanted to. I'm still going to kit out the dyno that way regardless. But it'd be Legend suspension front and rear. T-bars, sorry, riser bar combo, fairing, Plex audio, all that jazz. Probably buy a house out in the countryside. Not like deep into the countryside where you can like see them Bigfoots walking around, you know. I'm more like you can go 20 minutes out of direction and oh my god, back in town, whoa. Like just far enough away where you can have your peace and quiet, shoot your guns, play your music loud, do all of that stuff. Not have to worry about neighbors. But still within like convenient reach of everything else. Probably buy a Trailblazer, one of the brand new ones. Those are pretty cool looking. Preferably in red, with the sport grill and sport package, all that jazz. Probably stock up the house with guns, equipment, and all that kind of shit. Not like prepper equipment, just stuff I think would be fun, you know, like sound system, video games, electronics, that kind of shit. Which I don't even know how much that'd be. I'm gonna say it's gonna bring me down to 600 grand, give or take. So I have fucking expensive taste, unfortunately. I definitely buy a rocket fin Cadillac, like a 60s I think it was, late 50s, early 60s, give or take. Probably LS swap it, put a sound system, lower it on air ride. I think that'd be ballin'. And then I'd definitely buy a bunch of cars and stuff for my parents. You know, I don't know how much that'd cost, but I do my best. My mom likes the Impala SS from the 2000s. Dad likes K5s. We're getting him a K5. Get him a WS6. My mom a CTSV wagon. Blue, manual, unicorn. But hey, you got hundreds of thousands to burn. There you go, right? Then beyond that, honestly, I don't know. Not too much that I can think of right this very second. In all honesty, like, we're just gonna go in the wrong driveway here, buds. Forgot that it's fair time. That's a big yee truck. But yeah. So, recap. Pay out the dyno, kit it out. Get a road glide, kit it out. Buy a house, that's nice, get that out. Buy my parents' vehicles, buy a daily, buy a nice toy for myself. Probably have a couple hundred grand to spare. Throw that in a savings account, live off the interest as best I can. Or at least have it for bills so I can go travel and do what I want. Buy a stunt bike. There you go. That's all I need, right? I know that wasn't the quickest video, but I was only given $1 million. Where's the house would be? I don't know. Probably, preferably, somewhere like Kentucky, Georgia. Somewhere it's nice year round so I can ride all the time. preferably not too deserty, but also not right in the middle of Hurricane Alley, or there's lizards and snakes here that can put me in the hospital because they're venomous, you know? Somewhere like that. I'm going to challenge Harley Fat Boy JR, Blue Bike and Doyle channel, Wretched Nation, if they even see this video ever, and Code Gray to answer this as well, or what they would do. Anyway, I hope y'all have a good one, and I will see y'all later.